had an 8-day week. The Jews still use the lunisolar.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and it's 12:30 in the afternoon here in Clearwater, Florida, local time. And yesterday, I turned on this Big Bertha here, this Grundig Satellite 800, which is one of my best radios for shortwave listening, and the S meter was pegged. And I tuned a band, and it just stayed pegged throughout the shortwave band. And I'm like, uh-oh, it's finally died on me. Something's gone wrong. Did I leave the antenna hooked up? No. What is going on? So I switched the antenna in and out. No change. And I thought, man, it's gone. She's finally gone. So I was out here this afternoon right now, and I thought, let me try, it's another day. Let's try Big Bertha again. Big Bertha's working great, and the noise level is down in the mud. Now, let me see if I can, I know we're getting a lot of reflections, so apologize for that. But let me try to zoom in. This is the S meter, and I'm on a station that's very strong. This is WBCQ, I'll get it right in a minute, out of Monticello, which is in the northeast section of the United States. So let me zoom in so maybe you can see the S meter. There you go. It's right there. And like I say, this is a strong signal. It's about an S7, pretty good. Now I'm going to tune off of it so I can show you the noise level. So we're going to tune off of it. So now we're down about S2, S3. That's the noise level. In other parts of the band, the S meter is almost zero. So the radio is working great. It's just this crazy short wave band. Yesterday it just loaded with noise. Now it was a slightly different time of the day. It was earlier in the day. Normally I don't listen to short wave at noontime. Uh-oh, when you know the phone rang. And I have no idea who it is. Well, I'm going to let it ring because I don't recognize the phone number. And usually around mealtime is when all the robocalls come in. I hate those things. Government said they were going to do something about it. I haven't seen anything, obviously, done. Anyway, so normally at noontime, shortwave conditions in my area are not that good. And they're not really fantastic right now, except the noise level is way down. I'm at 9302. I was at, I think, 9330. Went past it. Right there, I believe, is where this station is. Let me turn the audio back up. Yeah. I'm a little bit off. Now, noise level is coming up. Since I started setting up for this recording, the noise level come up. But it was really down there 15, 20 minutes ago. And you see the signal is kind of fading. Doesn't surprise me. Yeah, it's fading pretty bad now. But that's the thing, that you don't get depressed when you can't get anything on shortwave. Or like yesterday, I had buku noise and that was it. I couldn't get a single signal. I couldn't even get WWV. Let's see if we can get WWV on 10 megahertz. Pretty good. I couldn't even get that yesterday. And look at the signal level. It's down to a 2. And it's just above the noise. But the thing is, if the noise level now was like it was yesterday, I'd never hear that signal, which I couldn't yesterday at all. So you got to keep that in mind. Shortwave, we're struggling right now because it's at solar minimum. We're not getting sunspots which help the ionization of the ionosphere, which improves propagation for shortwave, for instance. We're just not getting it. They say it's going to be a couple more months before it starts improving. Today it's a little higher, 71, We want 100 or more. Anyway, don't give up. Keep trying. I did get 1, 2, 3, 7, 5. This is the Air Force frequency. Now, I was getting them really loud and clear 15 minutes ago, but they don't broadcast all the time. They just send out some coded messages randomly. Now, I did notice I was in upper sideband mode when I was on the other station, 9933. Oh, what was that it? 9300, excuse me. 9330. There we go. Now that's upper sideband. Let me go to AM. Better. It's even better. So I had been listening to that Air Force frequency, and then that is upper sideband, and I forgot to change it. Now I'm back to AM, which I should have been at, and the signal is great.
People who think that the temple must be rebuilt forget Yahushua's own words in John 18 where he said,
S7 to 9.
if my kingdom were of this.
So don't give up on your shortwave radios. Get your shortwave radios out and continue to listen. Give us reports. Let us know how you're doing in your area. Give us a general location where you're at and what kind of frequencies and stations you picked up. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.